Hello and welcome to my tutorial for arrays. In this tutorial, of course, I'm going to be talking about arrays. What arrays are a set of variables that are referred to using a single variable name combined with an index number. Each item of an array is called an element. All the elements in an array must be of the same type. Thus, the array itself has a type that specifies what kind of element it can contain. For example, an integer array can contain integer values, and a char array can only carry or contain character, well, not character, but another word, string letters. So I've created a program to demonstrate how a normal array will work. This program basically takes the averages of scores that are input by the user and gives them an overall grade. So I've created two integers, one score, and I've initialized that to an array, and it has 6 elements in it. With arrays, numbers typically start from 0 and work their way up. So there's actually 7 elements in this array. And then I've initialized the integer r, and I've also made 3 floats, and I've used a for loop, and it'll run through the for loop until 6 is to r is no longer less than 6. And basically what it's going to do each time is going to ask the user to input a test score, and then it's going to keep looping through it and ask 6 times, and then after that it'll give you an average. So the basic way to set up an array is basically, this is an example here. So you're gonna give it a name, and then one way you can do this is you can, if you don't know how many you're gonna put in there, you can easily leave the array blank. But if you want to put a certain amount of characters in there, just enter a number. Doesn't really matter what number it will be, and it'll range from 0 and work its way up to it reaches that number. So I'm going to run this program so I can give you guys an idea of how this array works. So I'll run it. It tells you to enter score 70, then another 70, then 80, 90, 60, and then 50. I'll put 89, and then it tells you it'll take all the numbers you input, and then it's going to divide them by 6, and it's going to give you an average. And that's pretty much a basic tutorial on how arrays work. There's 2 other ways to do an array. There's pretty much an array list. You can really input them all individually one by one, but this would be the simplest way to do them. So that's about all there really is to arrays. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.